Hi, babe. My baby. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Our love story started with a simple, Oy, Pat.
Pat, andito na tayo ngayon. Dahil sa OIPAT, maraming ups and down ang kailangan nating harapin. Wala na ako masabi. Kaya alam mo naman ako, mukha ko lang yung makapal. Ang mukha ko, shy type talaga.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down.
I know you're the one already. This might sound so cliche, pero ganun talaga eh. So I really thank God for that day, August 10, 2021. It was also your birthday. Kaya napaka-special talaga.
And said you're so close. And I hear the ship is coming.
Oy babe, this is my first line message to you through chat. Way back August 10, 2021. Birthday ko yun to be exact. Morning noon, and then I didn't know, nasa Dubai ka pa pala. I didn't expect anything. Pero naging tayo.
Caught the air in the golden mouth. Leaving all of hearing how you went. In search of someone else. I thought the
Here's my simple gift to you on our big day today. Always remember that you are more precious than gold and anything ancient. I can't wait to see you. I love you so much. Alam mo po yan.
Isa-isa mong pagmasdan pasensya na kung ito muna aking mabibigay, kailangan ko pa mag-ipon pang Japan para sa honeymoon. Haha, wow! Ano to? Mura pa. I love you.
storm is coming in.
Yay! I got my medal. God is really good for He gave me you. Alam ko na we are on a long distance relationship. But despite that and despite everything, the distance, we made it and finally, ito na nga, babe.
Patricia Camille Aguayon Yadao, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband,
Yes, Father.
Sherwin Henry Quinto Galugay? Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
To be loved.
Brothers and sisters, may I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin Henry and Patricia Camille Kalugay.
We chose the church because it's Shervin's favorite church in Manila. So, nung nagpunta na kami doon, it's my first time as well to see the church. And yun, nung pagkakita niya ng church, nung nakaupo siya doon sa parang veranda or anything, tapos parang nakita niya daw ako na naglalakad doon sa daan sa aisle dun sa ano po, sa may fountain. Pero nakita niya ako dun, and then that's the time that he cried.
Ba't ka naiyak? Kasi hindi ko umiyak ng proposal mo. Ako yung umiyak. I love you.
Kasi ito, dumating yung time na una, ang galing. Dati, pinapasyalan ko lang to. Pero ngayon, dito na ako ikakasal. Yan, naiyak lang ako.
So, parang nagulat ako doon kasi ganun pala talaga ka-ano sa kanya, ka-importante yung church na yon and yung pagpili ng church name for our wedding.
Two lost souls wandering through the night.
Wow. Okay, make sure of that. Love you. See you later.
Babe, after 3 years and 5 months, eto na. Saglit lang natin napag-ipunan, pero nagawa man lang natin. At simula pa lang natin to, kayang-kaya natin to, babe. Sabi ko kasi sa vows natin, marami pa tayong kailangan pagdaanan. At gagawin natin yun. Nakikita ko naman na isa-isa natin yun. Mga pangarap natin para sa atin. Para maging future family natin, sa family side mo, family side ko. Kaya-kaya natin yun, babe. Love you.
You're all I need to find me. 'Cause I look at you, I see the light come through when I see you.
From this day on, babe, I will love you and I will always take care of you. I'll try my best to be the very good wife that you want me to be. And mamahalin kita sa araw-araw. Salamat sa love and patience mo. From now on, I will be your wife, Mrs. Patricia Camille Aguayon Yadaw Kalugay. I love you.
From you I can no longer hide. 'Cause you see me and I see you. You're all I want in this moment. You're all I have to see. You're all I want in this moment. You're all I have to see. You're all I need to find me. 'Cause I look at you, I see the light come through when I see you. 'Cause I look at you, I see the light come through when I see you. 'Cause I look at you, I see the light come through when I see you.